Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to update your Bitmart application using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To update your Bitmart application from a mobile device, first go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store if you're using an Android. Soon after you open up your App Store, go to the search box at the top and type in Bitmart and search. Once you find the application that says Bitmart-Crypto Exchange, you'll be able to see an update button. If you need to update your application, simply tap on the update button and wait until the latest version of the application gets downloaded on your mobile device. Once the application gets downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath the app or right beside it, and that means you've successfully updated your application for Bitmart. An app update comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement, so you'll need to update your application now and then in order to use your Bitmart app to the fullest. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.